Alright guys, check this out. We got the S&P 500. It's probably about time to check up on this one because we had a wonderful ride on the way down when price just picked up our price target, actually the first price target at 26.12. Now when I say the first price target, it actually was the official price target. Let me take you to the bigger picture just to refresh your memory. So we have this really wide trading range that you can track back all the way to the beginning of 2018, right? So roughly almost 1 year. And the fact that price came from above after taking the previous high was a strong indication that it could not only go all the way to the lower section, which as you can see it already did, but also continue on the way down and take the previous high, the previous low, of course, the major previous low at 25.34. And I still believe that there's a very good chance it will do that. However, you can also see how price was bouncing off pretty strongly on that 26.12. What a strong support that was. But when it did that, it actually did that in a nice fashion. It actually started to trade sideways. What seems to be just an upside move is actually a trading range, which is very difficult to see if you're not equipped with with the right knowledge. First of all, what you need to do is to go straight to the daily chart. Here you can actually start to see it, but it's still quite difficult. Now I'm helping you here because you can actually see the black system which I've used to pinpoint that trading range. So, but in order to actually see that trading range nice and clear, you have to move to the 4-hour chart. And here's what I'm talking about. So price took us all the way to the 26.12, right? A very important key level. I actually pulled out most of the position at that point, took a massive profit, but I left some of the position in because, as I've just explained, I think it can go lower than that, right? All the way to the previous low. So, but I was expecting this form of upside correction. But here's the trading range I'm trying to suggest. There was this upside leg here, followed by this second leg, right? Which beautifully marked the bottom key level in this black system, 26.36. Went up for a third leg, but take a look. This is what I found remarkable. It just didn't break above the top key level, 27.38. It touched base once, it touched base twice. This is, by the way, not a close above that level. It's just an open above that level. But what's really important is the close, not the opening. And it closed right on top of the mid-high key level, 27.05. And then changed direction, went straight up all the way to the 27.38 again. Beautiful touch base here. But as you can see, couldn't close above that level, right? Now, obviously, we already had 3 legs. I think we can easily expect the 4th leg. Probably later on we'll see the 5th leg. And the 6th, I believe, could be the one to break lower according to the bigger picture that I've just showed you coming from the weekly chart. Now let me just throw you back to the weekly chart again. So if that will happen, right, if the 27.38 would actually hold, we will see price descending again and having a second attempt on that 26.12, which I believe will be successful as price will drill lower all the way to the previous major low around 25.34. Right? Now I still have a small position in place. It's still in profit, by the way, just that portion. And you can see where my stop loss level is. I'm going to respect that stop loss level at 27.65. If price is going to be able to break above 27.38, that's when I'm going to split and look for opportunities somewhere else. Might even reanalyze the situation and decide to go bullish on this one, although I'm not sure about that. We'll see. Anyway, this is the situation on the S&P 500. We're still bearish on our outlook. but definitely things are becoming increasingly interesting. I'll follow up, I'll keep you posted. See you tomorrow.